Have you ever gone online and Googled the words financial advice? When you do, you get over 3 million results. That's a lot of places that want to tell you what to do with your money. There are new websites that take your information, run it through their calculators, and generate automated financial advice, with recommendations about how you should invest your assets and plan for your future. They're called robo-advisors, but they're not real advisors because they're not real people. Robo-advisors crunch data, then spit out cookie-cutter recommendations based on financial formulas they have created. Robo-advisors don't know your family, your history, or your personality. They don't know how you feel about your children or your charities. They don't understand what you hope to accomplish with your money. So here's the question. How can you trust financial advice from a source that doesn't actually know who you are or how you feel? You can't. Why? Because you are a person, not a number. You're an individual, not an algorithm. To get personalized advice, you want a qualified financial advisor who knows you, not a computerized avatar that thinks it does. You want an advisor with proper credentials and credibility, supported by an organization with compliant process and protocol. That's what we have. That's who we are. And we have the ability to understand you better than any computer program. Of course, we have the latest innovative technology too, but we use our technology differently. We use technology to support our expertise, not to replace it. We analyze, evaluate, and interpret your data to provide advice specifically for you. Advice about how to achieve your unique financial goals. Robo-advisors can crunch numbers, but numbers are only part of your story. The formula we follow puts you in the center of the equation, and that's exactly where you want to be.